guys, today is the AA Studios. I am May and this is Arthur. Say hi. Hi. So for today we're gonna make green slime, green putty. So you're gonna need a few highlighters and put some putty or slime on the tip, and then some you're gonna need some green marker and some putty. So first you get some few putty. You get a few putty. And then you can use whichever one you want. We're first using the marker today for half lesson. You're gonna put some on the table. Scrub the slime on it, and then you'll see the bottom is turning green. After you can do the burn part. So I'm gonna keep on scrubbing in the meanwhile. Meanwhile, I'm gonna tell you how to burp. You first gulp, then you open your mouth and burp. Okay, it's mostly turned to green already, so I think I'll just do some more for a couple more minutes. Okay, I'm done. So the next one, you're gonna connect all your green slime to the green one that we made, and then you're gonna roll it around. You're rolling it around, and it'll turn green. You see how they already has done the highlighter thing for today's lesson. So I'm gonna take some more putty. I'm gonna take some more putty and scrub it on here. So turn green. Take more mayo. So we might also use some more marker. You say. Just like that, much marker. Again and again, it's not turning green. Will eventually turn green because it takes a long time with highlighter. You see, some highlighter is turning it green, and some marker also. Both of them work. Then we're gonna get some marker again while Arthur's working on the highlighter. And let me tell you how to do the highlighter. First, you need a highlighter. Then you put slime on the tip. Then you close it. Then you hold it and then smack it on the top. And then you get this. And then you scrub it. Then you scrub it. You scrub your putty on it. So you see, it might be turning green. We just need a little more marker. Just a little more, and then we might just connect it all up. So in the meanwhile, I'll do this. So, there we go. Now, I told you from familiar, you connect to the green, you connect to the green putty, you squish it together, and then you roll it. And then it'll all turn green putty. Green putty. So you made this much putty today, right now. So So we're gonna keep on making more